Hello everyone, welcome to Video for Sure. Today we're going to see about matrix multiplication. How we're going to do the multiplication between two matrices. We're going to see that. So here you can see here I have one matrix A which is having a certain set of one element and B is another element and I have another matrix B which is having certain element this A1, alpha 1, beta 1, alpha 2, beta 2. So how we're going to do the matrices multiplication? You can see this matrix is of order 2 cross 3, 2 row we have and 3 column we have. Whereas B we have a 3 column and 2 rows. So let me write down here. So here you can see it is 2 rows and 3 or 3 column and it is 3 row and 2 column. So how we're going to multiply this? So in order to multiply, always remember matrix multiplication operation is different from how we are doing addition and subtraction. In multiplication, we will going to multiply the whole row with the whole column of the next matrix. Then again, we're going to multiply the whole row with whole column. Or in short, I can say every row to the every column of another matrix. So this is I'm writing here. So how we're going to do? Multiply every row to the every column of another matrix. Similarly, this rows with every column of this matrix. So how we're going to do the multiplication? So how we're going to do the multiplication? Let's see that. I'm taking one example and I show you how we can do the multiplication. But here you can see A1 this multiplication plus this element to this element, then this element to this element. As I said you, every row to the every column. So A1 into this plus B1 into this plus C1 into this A3. Now we are done with the first column. Now it is the turn of second column. A1 into beta 1, B1 into beta 2, C1 into beta 3. Now we are done with this first row because every row to the every column of another matrix we have done. Now we will going to see the second row to the every column of this table. So you can see here A2 A1 B2 A2 plus C2, A3. Similarly, now the second column is left A2 into beta 1, B2 into beta 2, plus C2 into beta 3. So like this, we have to do the multiplication. And always remember, when we do multiplication, then it is not mandatory that we should have the order of the matrices to be same. But how we'll get the resultant output in what order, we can find it out. You can see here, whenever we're going to do the multiplication, always remember that your second order should be same for both metrics. What I mean to say that 2 cross 3, so this order means your number of column and the number of rows of your second matrix should be always same. So you can cancel this so that you will get an order of 2 cross 2. I repeat once again. Here, when you see this, this is 3, right? So this is for 3 column here, and this is 3 for 3 rows. So when both are same, you can cancel this. So at the end, you will get 2 cross 2. So your result will be of 2 cross 2. So always remember that your number of column of your first matrix should be equal to number of rows of your second matrix. So you can cancel this. Let me write it down. So here, always remember the number of column of your first matrix should be equal to number of rows of your second matrix. So you can cancel them. Now I'm cancelling this 3 and 3. So at the end, I will get what? I will get 2 cross 2, which will be my resultant output, which will be the order of resultant matrix, result matrix. So this is about the matrix. Now let me take one example and show you how we can do that. So now you will going to multiply this first row 2, 3 with this 3, 2. So how much you will get? 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 2, how much? 6. So it will be 12, right? How you are getting this? Multiply first row with the first column. 2 into 3, your 6 plus 3 into 2, 6 will become 12. Similarly, when you multiply this first row with the second column, 2 into 1 will be 2 and 3 into 2 will be 6. So you will get 8 here. Similarly, you will multiply this 4, 1 with this again column. 4 into 3 will be 12 and 1 into 2 will become 2, which will become 14 when you will multiply this. I repeat once again. 4 into 3 will become 12. 1 into 2 will become 2. So 12 plus 2 will become 14. Again, when you multiply every row with every other column of the another matrix. So 4 into 1 will be 4, right? Plus 1 into 2 will become 2. So it will give you 6, right? So here you will get 6. 4 into 1 will become 4. 1 into 2 will become 2. So how much you will get? 6. So this will be the output of your matrix when you're going to multiply two matrices. So I hope it is clear to you how to do the matrix multiplication. What are the things that you should need to be remember while doing multiplication? This is matrix of 2 cross 2. This is a matrix of 2 cross 2. That's why the resultant matrix that I receive is also of 2 cross 2. So you can do this multiplication on your rough notes and you can get the output also and you can check it here. So in this way we do the multiplication of matrix. So I hope it is clear to you how to do the multiplication of matrix and what are the things that you should be like notice or what are the things you need to take care while doing the multiplication. So I hope you find this session informative and you come to know how to do the matrix multiplication. So we're going to meet in our next video with some more depth and detailed knowledge on this matrices and some further operation. Till then, bye.